student, myself Divya Parmar, welcome you all to the online session of Principle of Electronic Communication, in which we will learn the first topic, that is Basics of Communication System. In this video, you will get to know about what is communication, elements of communication system, block diagram of communication system. Now, what is communication? The word communication arises from the Latin word communicare, which means to share. Communication is the basic step for exchange of information. A person communicates with the help of a language. Communication is a bridge to share. Now, communication can be defined as the process of exchange of information through means such as words, actions, signs, etc. between two or more individuals. Now, the next session is need for communication. For any living being, while coexisting, there occurs the necessity of exchange of some information. Whenever a need for exchange of information arises, some means of communication should exist. Language and gestures play an important role in human communication, while sound and actions are important for animal communication. The next part is parts of communication system or the elements of communication system. Any system which provides communication consists of the three important and the basic parts as shown in the diagram. First is sender, last one is the receiver, and between them there is a channel for a medium. Now I will explain each of them in detail. The first, the sender. The sender is a person who sends a message. It could be a transmitting station from where the signal is transmitted. The channel. The channel is the medium through which the message signal travels to reach to the destination. The next, receiver. Receiver is a person who receives the message. It could be a receiving station where the signal is transmitted is received. Now the next is signal. What is signal? Conveying an information by means such as gesture, sound, action, etc. can be termed as a signaling. Hence, a signal can be a source of energy which transmits some information. An electrical impulse or an electromagnetic wave which travel a longer distance to convey a message can be termed as a signal in communication system. The next term is classification of signal. The signal is classified into two parts. First is analog signal and the another one is the digital signal. Let's start with analog signal. Analog signal is a continuous signal in which one time varying quantity represents the another time based variable. This kind of signals works with the physical values and the natural phenomena such as earthquake, frequency, volcano, speed of wind, weight, lighting, etc. Example of analog system is, in theory, we can use the term analog signal to describe any continuous signal that uses one time variable quantity to represent the another, such as mechanical system like dial thermometer, but for our purpose, we use it most commonly to describe the electrical signals. We use analog signal in a wide variety of applications such as audio recording and reproduction, live sound amplification devices, older video signal transmission technologies, radio signals, television broadcast signals. Now the next term is digital signal. A digital signal is a signal that is used to represent a data as a sequence of separate values at any point in time. It can only take on the one a fixed number of values. This type of signal represent a real numbers. Now the next term is block diagram of communication system. Communication means sending and receiving and processing of information between two or more devices. Some examples of communication system includes radio broadcasting, television broadcasting, radio telegraphy, mobile communication, computer communication, etc. The block diagram of communication system is shown in the diagram. The first block is information source. The source produces a signal of information which needs to be communicated. The next is signal. Information in electrical form suitable for the transmission is called signal. The next block is transmitter, which converts the source signal into a suitable form for transmission through the channel. The next is channel. The channel is connecting the transmitter and the receiver in a physical medium. The channel can be a form of wires, cables or wireless. The next, noise. When the transmitted signal propagates along the channel, it may be get distorted due to the channel imperfection. The next is receiver. Due to the noise or the factors, the corrupted version of signal arrives at the receiver. The receiver has to reconstruct the signal into a recognizable form of the original message for delivering it to the users. The signal at the receiver form the output. Now, some assignment questions regarding to this video. First, what is communication? Explain elements of communication system. Define signal and explain types of signal. Explain block diagram of a communication system. You can attempt the quiz from this video by scanning the QR code or the link given in the description box. See you in the next session of the subject Principle of Electronic and Communication. Thank you.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.